Hello, this is Chris, your host of Brilliant RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new, very first 2026 Dynamax Europa 37CA Super C Motorhome. We're sure on the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. Look at the beautiful blue and gray full body paint. Freightliner chassis, 360 horse. Look at the automotive style windshield slash window up there for letting in the light. The blacked out rims. Front board slash steps right up into the chassis there. LED lit power awning, of course. Outside smart TV with sound bar. Battery compartment here. Storage, which I'll never complain about too much of that. We get a glimpse of that full body paint again. Go right down the side. Slide awnings, of course. More storage here. More storage here. And guess what? A little bit more storage there. Show you that rear cap. Obviously backup camera. 15,000 pound hitch there with a 7-way plug. There's your 360 horse, 800 foot-pounds of torque. Shoot that on this side. There's your hookup center, water filtration system. Dump valves are there, can run right down through there. There's a cap that you can put on there, of course. 8,000 watt quiet diesel generator. Power cord reel there. Stick it underneath once again. More storage. There's your big inverter right there. More storage. Of course, your propane. So we'll back this up and show you this again. Slate tint to those windows. Keep the light and heat out. A little bit close quarters in here. Sorry for the up close view. Let's go take a walk inside. See what you guys think. Obviously electric step. Come right in here. Look how bright this is. Just beautiful. LED light strip lighting there in the ceiling. No carpet here. Nice, but throw rugs down. It's nice and dark where if you don't clean, nobody's probably going to know. Beautiful galley area here with a huge window. Nice big sink. We have a 3-burner range. The backsplash. Microwave at a really nice height here. Info center here. Lights, slides, power system, awnings, everything there. We have an exhaust, nice big exhaust fan there. I'm going to back up a little bit again. Got your dinette that goes down to a bed. Got your theater seating there, which someone could lay on as well. Nice, huge, deep pantry with drawers. More storage there. You can't tell in the video, but this is actually a soft touch ceiling, which is really nice when you smack that mosquito or that fly. Really easy to clean. Ducted AC, of course. You got your huge fridge. TV here right above the fireplace. Obviously that's not just for ambiance or romance. It puts out about 5,000 BTUs of heat, so it'll heat up this area nice if you're plugged in somewhere or running off the generator. This is nice too. I'm gonna take my shoes off real quick just to give you an idea. So I'm just over 6'2". I can lay almost completely flat on this sofa, so that when I'm in trouble and the wife's in there, I can sleep right here. Not that I'm coming with you. Here's going to be the half bath right here for guests if they're sleeping up there. So obviously you've got your master bath. Got your king bed that you can incline here. You have the pocket door to close off this area. Reading lights, overhead storage. That's a huge pantry. Got full length drawers here. I think in my household I might get this drawer right here if I'm lucky. Probably all that I need. Little area to get ready in the morning. Stackable washer dryer. Another pocket door here for the master bath. Porcelain toilet. And why not? More storage. Look at all that. Medicine cabinets, nice high ceilings, actual glass doors, a seat. My sales manager, Andy Johnson, would say that's for the ladies to shave their legs or you just want to snooze when you're taking a shower. Skylight there. Once again, let's just do this. Just over 6'2". Not coming with you, but I got plenty of room to get clean in here. Nice high ceilings too. I mean, once again, we're plenty of room. It's very open. The slide height's going to be higher, so you're not going to hit your head every time you're sitting down. Another nice feature for the Dynamax Super C. Going up front, you've got the bed, of course, or you can use this for storage. You've got the rail here that will hook onto here to keep people from rolling off. You do have the power shade to give you privacy right there. And there is going to be an adjustable ladder right there to hook on to these little hooks here for getting up into that bed area. Of course, the wonderful cab. Driver passenger seats, big screen for the backup camera, and the touchscreen radio, power heated mirrors. Just a beautiful, beautiful house on wheels by Dynamax Europa. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. I've been here 25 years. I'm just here to help you do what you want to do. If this is what you want, I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. We take trades. We have an international airport less than a mile from our dealership. Fly into Minneapolis, St. Paul, take the shuttle up here. This will be in our shop. You probably saw the shop here a little bit earlier in the video. 24 service bays we have here. We're 71 years family owned. We have no hidden fees. We don't play any games. None of that corporate bologna and cheese. This will be right here in the shop. LP filled, diesel tank filled, DEF tank filled, complete orientation included. No hidden fees. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.